Good morning. My name is Raghava, studying in Vaidya School of Excellency, Grade 8. Today I am going to talk about atoms. Everything in the universe that has mass and occupies space is considered to be matter. So you may have a doubt, what is matter made of? So matter is made of atom. Atoms are tiny units that are made of more smaller units that are protons, electrons and neutrons. Protons are made of positive charges, electrons are made of negative charges, while neutrons are made of no charge. This is a typical model of an atom of fluorine. It has 9 protons, 10 neutrons and 9 electrons. The protons and neutrons are heavier than the electrons, hence they stay in the middle, forming a nucleus. Now I'll tell you a bit about nucleus. This is a model of nucleus of beryllium. It has 5 neutrons and 4 protons. They are attracted to each other by nuclear force. An atom is electrically neutral as it contains same number of electrons and protons which has equal in magnitude but opposite in charge. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular paths of different radii called shells. The outermost shell of an atom is called the valence shell. The electrons on these shells are called valence electrons. Atoms likes to have 8 electrons in their outer shell. Atoms will lose or gain valence electrons to make their outer shell full with 8 electrons. Some atoms have nearly 8 electrons in their valence shell and can gain additional valence electrons and become negatively charged. An atom that carries a positive or negative electric charge is called ion. Positively charged ions is called cation and negatively charged ions is called an anion. Metals generally have 1, 2 or 3 electrons in their valence shell. Because valence electrons are free to move, they can travel through the lattice that forms the physical structure of a metal, which allow metals to conduct an electric current. This animation shows how electricity is conducted. Metals generally form positive ions and have low attraction for electrons. Non-metals generally form negative ions and have high attraction for electrons. Metals and non-metals react to form ionic compounds. Example, rusting of iron. Fe loses 3 electrons, oxygen gains 2 electrons to have an octet. Thank you. Hope you like the video.